First, make sure that you have Boris Continuum and Red Giant Magic Bullet installed on your PC. If you don't have them yet, click on the cards above to my other tutorials in which I've showed how to download them. So first search for looks under Magic Bullet and add it onto the adjustment layer. Click on Edit Look. Here, expand Tools and add LUT. Then select Blue Unity. Next, for transitions I use BCC Cross Zoom. Search for that in the Effects panel and add it between your clips. Now to improve the transition, I crop it down to around 8 to 10 using an adjustment layer. It looks more polished now. Add an adjustment layer, then search for RSMB Pro and add it. If you don't have it already, I've added a card above so that you can check my other tutorial to install that. Now change the motion blur to 0.8 and motion sensitivity to 80. These are the best settings for RSMB in my opinion. Next is another cool effect called BCC Tritone Dissolve. It's a perfect flash effect to use in slow-mo and for sniper clips as well. You can also adjust the color, brightness and contrast here. Now you can add a nice little watermark to make it look much better. Use the text tool and type in your text and then follow me. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.